Basic transparent BSDF material. So that's defining transparency using the transparent BSDF material node. So we're going to assume that our object is UV unwrapped and we have a material assigned, albeit a simple one. So material properties. There's our material, there's the preview. We want to scroll all the way down to the bottom because we need to set in settings, we need to set the blend mode. So this is going to be alpha clip, alpha hashed, or alpha blend, depending on what it is that you're doing. Let's just go with alpha blend. That'll make the material or the cube or the object appear a little odd because of the sort issue that this creates by default. So the next step, shading workspace, we need to drop in image texture, this is optional, but it'll make it easier to see what we're doing. So open. Let's use a clip mask. Open. So we want to connect that to that. That's going to give us this. And then what we need to do is add shader transparent BSDF. Make sure it's transparent, not translucent. So transparent BSDF, and then we want to add shader, mix shader. So shader, mix shader. Drop that into place. What we want to do here is link the two BSDF outputs to the shader inputs of the mix shader. So link BSDF to shader, then BSDF to shader. Let's disconnect that, and then we want to attach shader output to surface input, and there is our transparency. And what this does is we can then use the FAC input value or the FAC variable to change the degree to which our transparent material is transparent. So 0.5 is the average or the default. It's important to note that this is making the entire material transparent. And obviously that includes the image that's associated with principled BSDF. But what this does also then allow is that if our image has an alpha channel included with it, so if we link alpha to alpha, what we get is the alpha channel of our image defining the transparency of the image itself, and then the transparent BSDF can be used to modify the transparency of the overall material. And what this can be used for is making our transparent image disappear over time. We can animate this. I won't do that in this particular tutorial because this is just about setting up the transparency. So that is basic transparent BSDF transparency.